So I managed to get outside for a few minutes with some people here from work, and we're like, can it be true? Is it real?
I know. Well, very location dependent right now. If you're inland, you're seeing the sun and the warm temperatures. It has a summery feel, doesn't it? It's very muggy out. At the coastline, though, still sucked in with fog. In fact, just getting an email in from one of our weather spotters, Shelley Cleary, saying that down in Little Compton, it is foggy there. Radar right now not finding any showers or storms, but that's the other concern for today, is that our area, especially just north and west of Rhode Island, that we could see some thunderstorms develop as the afternoon goes on. It's still very quiet, but now that we're in the sunshine, you take the heat, the humidity, and an approaching cold front, it gives us those key ingredients for developing some thunderstorms and even the potential for some to be strong or severe. So the live city cam, hazy sunshine mixing with the cloud cover. Temperature right now at 73, but as the skies continue to clear, these temperatures will continue to warm up very quickly. A southwest wind right now at about 14 miles an hour. Visibility is slowly starting to improve at the coastline. We have 2 miles now in New Bedford, 3 in Newport, but only a half a mile in Westerly, and dense fog still out on Block Island, where we have brighter skies further inland. And notice the temperature difference, 10 degrees from Smithfield and Providence compared to what we have in Newport, and an even greater difference there in Westerly. It's only 61 there, and you'll stay in the 60s at the coastline for today. Widen out the view here, show you the bigger picture on satellite and radar. The clouds are starting to break up. The thickest clouds now confined to the south coast. Approaching cold front sparking some of these scattered showers that are starting to develop over Pennsylvania and New York. As that front pushes east, our threat of seeing those showers and storms will go up. So it's mostly later in the afternoon and evening. I'm thinking around the time of the evening commute. Temperatures prior to that in the Providence area get up to about 78 degrees at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Meanwhile, down at the coastline, it is a different scene. You may see some briefly hazy sunshine, but I've dropped the temperature down here for Narragansett to about 68, and then it would be later in the evening for any showers or thunderstorms there, and I think the fog comes right back in during the later afternoon and evening hours at the shore. So the evening commute, will be keeping an eye out for those thunderstorms, 73 to 78 degrees. Where the storms form, very heavy rain, so that could lead to that street flooding and poor drainage flooding. And Futurecast shows this well at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, shows a few scattered showers far northwest corner of the state, but notice the bulk of the action, at least during the daylight, is north and west of Providence. These yellows and oranges that you see are the thunderstorms. They roll through later evening and night, and then they wind down, and by tomorrow morning, any lingering clouds should quickly clear out. We're looking at a very nice hump day on the way for you tomorrow, with dry skies, sunshine, and lower humidity. Very comfortable day on the way. So temperatures today, Central Falls, Providence, and downtown coming in the upper 70s. On the East Bay, mid and upper 70s, Barrington and Riverside, Garden City, and TF Green at around 78 degrees. And again, it is noticeably cooler at the coastlines, only 66 in Charlestown. Coventry at about 75, a late day shower. Northwest corner of the state, upper 70s in Burrillville, Foster Center, and Situate, about 77 in Johnston, the hints of summer. But again, you're in that area where you could see some thunderstorms. 75 for New Bedford, Fall River in the mid-70s. On the bay, the fog is giving way to that hazy sunshine over the next hour or so. We have a high tide coming up at 2:17 this afternoon. The bay, it's the beach, it's fog and haze, and check out the temperature. Still fairly cool at 64 to 68. I actually think it'll be warmer at the beach tomorrow than it is today, probably closer to 70, because we're going to have a land breeze instead of winds off of the water. Your 7-day Futurecast, very nice weather on the way next few days, and check out the weekend forecast. Upper 70s, could be near 80 inland on Monday for Memorial Day, looking dry and bright right now. So not a bad kickoff so far, the way it's looking for that unofficial start to summer.
I just like the fact that you have that beach forecast out there.
I know, finally.
It's true.
It's back. All right. Thanks, Michelle.